Mm-hmm. Uh, yeah. Let me just announce the show and we'll get started. Yeah, okay. Bonjour, everyone. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about... Where's the intros? Here we go. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons, an Indigenous cause. And I'm the, what would you call me, Natasha?
You're the rock star cartoonist.
Yeah, okay. I'm Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. But I'm also the, producer of the show? Director? Creator?
You're everything.
I'm everything. But, welcome to, this is a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. And, this is Natasha. Ikadon Bonjour, Natasha. Say hello.
Bonjour, Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the show.
Now, please welcome the star of the show, NANABOOZHOO. Take it away, buddy. Miigwech Niji. Thank you so much. And bonjour, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Today is Monday morning, sweetie. Monday, la 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 dee da dee dee dum. And on this Monday morning, sweetie, in Ojibwe, we call it Ishkwa Anima E Gishakut, after prayer day. Huh, Michael? That's right. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, Ijanakazo. This is Michael Lyons. His name is Michael Lyons. Today's Ojibwe phrase, sweetie.
Yeah.
Oh, today's, the name of the show today was Michael Lyons is my name. Michael Lyons is the creator of BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, and he sits over there. But if you were going to ask him, hey, what's your name? He would say, Anin, Eiji Nikazoyan, Hey Niji, Anin, Eiji Nikazoyan, Michael Lyons, Indigenous cause. What's that one more time? Anin, Eiji Nikazoyan, Michael Lyons, Indigenous cause. Michael Lyons is my name. And this has been the Ojibwe phrase of the day. Huh, sweetie?
You tell him, baby doll.
I'm not sure why.
I don't know why either.
Okay, hey, Grassroots Indians is here, sweetie.
Well, bonjour, Grassroots. Welcome to the show. Can we give Grassroots a gold star?
I think we better. Gold star for the Grassroots. Bonjour, Niji. And oh, look who's here. Sequoia Hummingbird. Sequoia Hummingbird, sweetie.
Sequoia the hummingbird. Bonjour, Nijikwe. And a silver star for Sequoia.
Silver star for Sequoia. And then rounding in third. Rounding third is Diane.
Well, me no giga shame, Diane.
Good morning, Diane. Let's get a bronze star for the Diane.
Bronze star for Diane.
Good day to be rich, says Grassroots Indians. Oh no, good days to be Indian. Why did I read Indian as the word rich?
I don't know, because you love money.
I don't know. Yes, it is a good day to be Indian. It is a good day to be Indigenous.
It's a good day to die.
What?
You remember that in Little Big Man?
It's a good day to die.
Some days it's a good day to be Indian. Some days it's a good day to eat fry bread.
Some days it's a good day to eat fry bread. And, hey, Diane says, good morning, Narasha.
Narasha?
I think she means Natasha.
I like Narasha.
Narasha. So, today, you know what I was thinking about talking about today, sweetie?
What's that?
Emily.
No.
Michael, do you wanna introduce the song Emily? What do you mean? I was gonna play Emily. Oh, this is a song I wrote called Emily. That's your introduction? Yeah, what do you want? I don't know. Here's a song called Emily by Michael Lyons.
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask how she sees. When she looks, she's watching you and me. Emily knows something about blow. Dizzy white snow finds its way up her nose. And don't ask how she feels. Mice and men are her only meals. But I can only say that I've seen better days, and this is my mistake, and I'll get only what I take. So messed up, I don't know why I even tried. This is the best I could do with what I had and all I knew. And we will fight all night. I don't see how we got here now. And this is all I have, and now it's all I have to give. But I can only say that I've seen better days. This is my mistake, and I'll get only what I take.
Ah, what a beautiful song, Michael.
Hey, thanks.
And she's beautiful, Emily.
Yeah. Oh, nicely done, Michael. You're truly a rock star cartoonist. Emily by Michael Lyons. So, would you like to tell the audience the story, the history behind just who Emily is? Not really. Don't you think they deserve an explanation? Not really. Come on, man. I'm trying to do a live stream here. Hey, by the way. There we go. By the way.
Yeah?
You don't have to talk about Emily if you don't want to. Okay. You know, sweetie,
Yeah?
I was wondering
Yeah?
about, do we have anybody on hold?
We do. We have a couple of people on hold today.
Should I take a call?
Yeah, well, let's take a call. Line 2.
Line 2. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Hello there, Nanaboozhoo.
Hey, Kermit the Frog. Sweetie, it's old Kermit D. Omakaki.
Hey, Boozhoo, Kermit. Hello. Hello, Natasha.
What can I do for you today, Kermit?
Well, Nanaboozhoo, I was wondering if I could learn the Ojibwe word for Monday.
For Monday? Yeah, sure. Here's kind of the story behind Monday. Let me move your picture down. In the Ojibwe language, I don't think we really had a word for each day of the week. I think we just kind of... I think we came up with days of the week after boarding schools and after we learned English.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Do you know about the boarding school era with Native Americans?
Yes. Were those the schools where the Indian kids lived and learned how to speak English?
Yeah, that's right. And a bunch of other stuff. But so when the Anishinaabe, when Native Americans went to boarding school, they learned the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. But they had to translate it back into Ojibwe. So I imagine it was kind of like they would say, hey, what's the name of this day? And the person would say, well, this is Monday. Goes, yeah. But in our language, what do we call it in Ojibwe? And they would have said, well, it's a day. Today is after prayer day. Yesterday was prayer day when we went to church. Because, all the boarding schools were also, they had mass, or they had church on Sundays. And the kids would go there, and then the day after, they would have, they would just call it, well, this is after prayer day. And then Tuesday, we'll call that the second day. But, so in Ojibwe, we say, Ishkwa, Anama E, Gisha Good.
Ishkwa, Anama E, Gisha Good. After prayer day, yay!
That's right. After prayer day. Ishkwa, Anama E, Gisha Good. So, dude, what's going on with your old lady?
Miss Piggy doesn't like it when you refer to her as an old lady.
What?
Yeah, she wanted me to talk to you, Nanaboozhoo. She's not happy with how... Well, she's not very happy with how you guys talk about her on your show.
What have we ever said bad about Miss Piggy?
Well, I threatened to kill her.
Oh, yeah, that's right. She doesn't like it when Natasha threatens to kill her?
No, she wanted me... She told me I should get on the phone and call you and tell you better cut it out.
Or what?
Well, I don't know. Maybe I'm going to have to come down there and stick up for my lady.
She's not a lady.
Okay, stick up for that pig.
Listen, man, I don't want to beef. I don't want any trouble. Kermit, I've always thought of you as a friend. And really kind of a mentor and an inspiration in a lot of ways.
For sure. If it wasn't for Kermit, we wouldn't even have a show.
That's right. Kermit, you got all my respect in the world. So if you'd rather we didn't speak bad about your beloved transgendered pig, obese pig of a whatever, I promise we will never talk bad about Miss Piggy again.
Well, thank you so much, Nanaboozhoo. You're a true friend.
Well, I try. It's important to me that I treat my friends, old ladies.
Don't call them old ladies.
What are they called?
That's his girlfriend.
She's not a girl.
That's his pig friend.
Your pig friend, with respect.
Oh, okay. Well, hey, Nanaboozhoo, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, remember, we don't say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gi gawabamin minawa.
Gigawaba min minawa, Nanaboozhoo.
Yep, you too, buddy.
Gigawaba min minawa, Kirby. Gigawaba min minawa, Natasha.
Kermit.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, we do. We make fun of Miss Piggy a lot.
Well, I'm not making fun. I'm just making threats.
Do you really think you could take Miss Piggy?
I'm sure of it.
I don't know, man. She knows karate.
She doesn't know karate. She just knows domestic abuse.
Domestic abuse. Hey, Deb Gibbons is here, sweetie.
Well, good morning, Deb. Mino Gijagut.
Mino Gijagut. Good morning, Deb. I like to call her Debbie.
Is she your little Debbie?
Yeah, I call her Little Debbie because she's so sweet, but, she'll give you cavities.
And diabetes.
Yeah, number one cause of diabetes is Deb Gibbons.
She's too sweet.
You're too sweet, Deb. Anyway, okay. So what's in the news today, sweetie?
In the news, today's headline news reads, I don't know. I haven't watched the news in a while.
Oh, I hear Trump's going to run for president.
Did he say he was going to?
I don't know. Maybe I dreamt that. I think I heard somebody mention that he had said something. I didn't see anything. But I said it before. I'm out. I'm never voting again.
You're not going to vote? Well then, you can't complain.
What's there for me to complain about? Everything's great. But yeah, I don't want to play anymore. Ooh, democracy. It's not a democracy, it's a republic. We elect people to be our rulers. I forget it. What else is going on in the news?
Hunter Biden?
Oh yeah, and then Hunter Biden. It's so absurd. I mean, we're living in a time beyond scandal. There's nothing that anybody can do anymore that makes people go, oh, did you hear? You know? Like, I guess it was probably over during the Monica Lewinsky thing.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just, news became bizarro world with scandal with Monica Lewinsky and Bill Clinton. But then, since then, it's just snowballed into now you're watching videos of the president's son in a hotel room doing every bad thing you can think of. Every illegal thing you can do in this country, except actual murder, he's doing all at once. He's just the worst kind of person. And who cares? Everybody said, well, he's just the son. That doesn't mean anything. You should see the stuff Chelsea Clinton gets herself into. You should see what were the Obama's girl's name?
Malik or Melinda Obama?
Melinda? Malika?
I don't know.
Those aren't their kids anyway.
No, they're just actors.
Yeah. Sequoia Hummingbird says, morning from high in the Ozarks, Arkansas, Little Debbie. Arkansas is Little Debbie. Ozark, Arkansas is Little Debbie. I'm not sure what that means. I don't know. Bonjour, Sequoia Hummingbird. And Jim Dunn's back.
Oh, no kidding.
What's going on, Jim? Bonjour, Niji.
Bonjour, Jim. Good morning. Pour yourself a cup of coffee.
Pour yourself a cup of the old black medicine water. Muckety mushkiki wabu. In our culture, we refer to the sacred morning beverage as black medicine water. For you see, back in the days of the grandfathers, our ancestors would get up in the morning and prepare coffee and read the paper. And this is our cultural, traditional way.
That really is culture in a way.
The morning routine.
Well, for sure. If your morning routine isn't cultural, nothing is cultural.
Hey, you know what? Check 1 2, check 1 2. Was I really quiet?
Probably.
Sorry, you guys. Can you hear me better now? Check 1 2. All right, what's a good song, sweetie?
I'm sailing away.
Set an open course for the virgin sea.
And I've got to be free.
Free to face a life that's ahead of Deb Gibbons.
On board, she's a captain,
so climb aboard. Nah. We'll sail to tomorrow and every shore,
and I'll try best that I can.
You have such a gorgeous voice.
I know, huh?
To carry on. I'm going to try the best I can to carry on, you guys.
You do that.
I'm not making any promises, though. Eventually, everybody loses the race of life. In the end, everybody dies of being alive. In the end, life is a terminal illness.
What?
Yeah, from the moment you're born, you start to die.
Well, that's some way of looking at it.
I know, huh? And, well, I say you better, stop and smell the roses. But don't put stuff off. Oh, I'll do it later. Oh, I got time. Today I'm just going to put my feet up and watch the game. Maybe tomorrow I'll do that thing I always wanted to do. Well, tomorrow never comes. And yesterday's gone. Today is a gift. That's why they call it the present.
That's why they call it the present moment.
Yep. Are you living in the present moment?
I'm living in the past, man.
You live in the past?
Yeah, I'm living in 1985 right up here.
Yeah, me too. And 1985 lives in my heart. Out on the road today, I saw a deadhead sticker on a Cadillac. What's the best song of 1985?
I have no idea. Probably Jump.
I think that was 1984.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, because the album was 1984.
Might as well jump.
Jump. Go ahead and I get up. And nothing gets me down.
You got it tough. I've seen the toughest around.
And I know, baby, just how you feel.
Hey, don't make that gesture. That's a kid show. You got to roll with the punches and get to what's real.
Now can't you see me standing here right next to Sunflower Heather?
Is Sunflower Heather here?
She sure is.
Hey, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. BOOZHOO, my female Niji. Sunflower says, 1985 was a great year. Oh, you don't remember 85. I like it when these young people, oh yeah, the 80s are great. I was 6. Unless you're cruising around driving age, drinking age, not drinking age, but if you're from my generation, if you're my age, 1985 was, what was I in 85? 18?
Yep, 17 or 18.
Yep. And as, whatever. La-di. La-di-da-di-da. Ah, thanks. I was 15. Oh, okay. I'm still your elder. But to be 15 years old in the mid-80s, yeah, you were there. You remember hairspray and eyeliner. Did you ever wear a big old sweater that fell off your shoulder? Oh, that's a great look.
I love that look. What a feeling! I am rhythm now.
What's her name?
That was, the movie was Flashdance.
Flashdance.
And her name, oh, she was the most beautiful girl. What was her name?
That's, who's that pretty girl in Flashdance? What if... I always picture her singing those songs, but she wasn't a singer at all. She was just a dancer.
What a feeling! I am rhythm now.
Oh, you know what else is a great 80s movie?
What? The Breakfast Club?
Well, yeah, The Breakfast Club. But Jennifer Beals says Sunflower Healthy. Thank you, Jennifer Beals. Wow.
I know, it's so gorgeous.
She still looks good, and she's like 98 now.
She's not that old.
But yeah, Jennifer Beals, Flashdance. But remember, I gotta cut loose,
Foot loose.
put on my Sunday shoes.
Why did my voice come out of your mouth?
I have no idea. Because I can do an impersonation of you.
No, you can't.
I can. I've done it on the show before.
Yeah, I know. You want to do it again?
This is my impersonation of Natasha. Me, Natasha! Ah!
No, that's Cookie Monster.
That's Cookie Monster and Animal. No, here's my impression of Natasha.
BOOZHOO, everybody. My name is Natasha. Natasha Nindishanikaz. Oh, that's so good. Can you do Michael?
Let me see. See if I can do Michael. Hey, everybody. My name is Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons Nindishanikaz.
Oh, that's insane.
Yeah, did I sound like him?
You sound just like him.
Michael Lyons. Ishinakazo. Michael Lyons is his name. Anin. Ishinakazo yan niji. Anin. Asian Indigenakaz. I can't even keep my Ojibwe straight. Anin. Asian. Here, this will help. Anin. Ishinakazo yan. What is your name? Michael Lyons, Indigenakaz. Yeah? Very good. And you have been watching the podcast about Ojibwe. You want to get up here, sweetie?
I can get up there. You gonna play another song?
No, I think I'll let's bring you up here. But first, we'll pause for this commercial. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO will return after these messages. Hey, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, you can click the links in the description box to either Patreon. On Patreon, you can give us a little bit of money every month, and we'll send you a book. PayPal, you can send us a little tip, or you can go to GoFundMe.com and help us raise money. We have a GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you'd like to order Ojibwe language books by me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, you can click the links to Amazon.com and order. I've got coloring books, comic books, children's picture books, like OJIBERISH, and Dog and Manga, BOOZHOO Legitimate, many more. Click the links below. Miigwech.
Hey, everybody. Boozhoo. Natasha Nindishanakaz. Natasha is my name. Nindishanakaz. And, I don't know. What should I talk about, Michael?
Why don't you go out and say a prayer?
Hey, okay.
Hey, can I make a request?
Sure.
Would you say the Lord's Prayer in Ojibwe?
From the Bible?
Yeah.
From the Gagikwe Mizuna Igan? Sure, I'll go out there and say a little prayer. Go pray for Nanaboozhoo. No. Sweetie, will you teleport me outside?
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to go outside, put on some tobacco.
That's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No. Oh, Mikawadazi. Beautiful. Mikawadazi, Gijagad. It's a beautiful day. It's actually kind of hot. Ugh, Gijagad. It's hot. Well, I'm hot-blooded. Check it and see. I got some Asema with me. Come on, baby, let's put out some tobacco and say boozhoo to get your mana do. Boozhoo, get your mana do. Natasha Nindishanakaz. Hello, Great Spirit. Natasha is my name. Anyway, I'm going to say the Lord's Prayer. I'm going to offer him some tobacco. Get your mana do. Otapanan niwi asema. Great Spirit, please accept my tobacco. Nusana wakwing abian. Our Father who art in heaven. Apikich kichi twa wandemig. Get a news a win. May your name be hallowed. Apikish be dug. Wish a new magak. Kitukigma we win. May your kingdom come. Apekish ishiwe bak dibishku wakwing miku. May your will be done. Gaye a king on earth. Miko gaye ishpaming as it is in heaven. Magicianang nuko agijakak. Nimbakweji ganimana. Minik iyuyang. Give us today our daily bread. Bunigade ta wishanang gaye gaishi nishkahi nangi. Forgive us for our offenses, just like we forgive others. Geko gaye ishi wishi ishi kange. Gagwe deep and gay winning. Dash ina ma wishanang maya nadak. Do not lead us into temptation, and keep us from what is evil. Ape inge. Amen. 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 La-di-da. Hoka hey, 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 hoka hey. Amen. Well, sometimes I just wait to see if Kichimanadu wants me to say a certain thing. They say the word inspiration means to be in spirit. Manadu, spirit. And I'm starting to wonder if, like, Michelangelo and Mozart, Beethoven, Eddie Van Halen, Neil Peart, if some of these really great artists and musicians, if they weren't inspired by Kichimanadu. You know, nobody can really say where they get their ideas. The ideas come to you. You can't go... Sometimes I think people go, oh, you know, you're so creative. Where did you get that idea? Or they'll ask, where did you come up with that? And that's a good question. I came up with it. It came to me. Being creative doesn't mean you have a good memory or you're smart. I think it means you're connected. You're tuned in like a radio station to the Great Spirit. When you're tuned in, when you're on the right frequency, when you're walking the red road, when you're walking the country road like this place. In Anishinaabe, we call that Miskwa Mikanana. Mikana. Miskwa Red Road. Miskwa Mikana. The Red Road. The Red Road, a lot of people say, oh, that's when you get sober. Well, it can be. But you can be on the Red Road when you're on the right path for you. When you discovered your purpose in life. When you finally dialed in that perfect balance of what you want and what you need and what you need to give and why you're here and all the mysteries of what's going on in your life. That's because we all have a purpose. We're all supposed to walk a road. So sometimes after I pray, like even the fact that I'm out here praying today is because I was dialed in one day. Kichimanadu inspired me and said, hey, you know what? You should come out here and put out some Draco and film it. Maybe people can learn some Ojibwe phrases and they can pray in Ojibwe. They might appreciate that. And the creator loves to hear Ojibwe. He doesn't get to hear it that much. Anyway. You're asking me, will our love grow? I don't know. I don't know. You're asking me, will our podcast grow? Gawin in Cocaine Donzine. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We have enough people to have an audience. We get to share our Ojibwe language and our songs and our cartoons and stuff. There's enough. Boozhoo b'nei shiag. Anin, Eiji Nakazoyan. Oh, is that right? The bird said, B'nai Shiyag, Nindishanakaz. Birds. You should say B'nais. B'naisi is my name. Bird is my name. You ever notice, like, when there's a big flock of birds, they can somehow fly in, like, unison somehow? It looks just like a school of fish in the air. There's a big cloud of birds, and they all move together in this weird cloud of... How do they do that? You never see two birds just ram into each other. Whoops! Clunk! Just knock heads, a couple of blue jays. Oh, sorry. I didn't see you there. But birds and fish are tuned into something. They're a collective. They have telekinetic powers. There have been some weird moments like I've never had. I don't have any good stories of like telekinetic stuff or moving stuff with my mind or anything like that. Except when I've been playing in a group of musicians. any of you out there ever been in a band? Especially guitar players, I think. Once in a while, guitar players communicate without words. Because in every song, you have to kind of negotiate, when to rock out, when to not slow down, but get quiet and end the song. Who's going to lead, who's going to play the rhythm. And there's a little back and forth. That's why they call it playing rather than working guitar. Where you play, because you're going to play together. And there are times when, sometimes if you're in a good band, all of you guys will at the same time be tuned in. And you can just kind of feel that, okay, we're going to build it up, and now we're going to bring it down, and da 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 da. And the song's over, and everybody how did we all know we were going to do that? Oh, it kind of felt right, huh? But I think we had telekinetic. People are like birds and fish, I think. Only there's not as much harmony. Like if you look at traffic from far away, that's actually kind of depressing. I was going to say, when people drive, it's like they're fish, a school of fish. But it's not. It's more like their blood cells racing through a blood vein. And, if it gets clogged up, it'll kill the earth. No, it won't. She really says, I feel like the red road is when you decide to investigate and follow the traditional ways of your tribe. And maybe even start speaking your native language. Yeah, there's totally a part of that too. The red road, behind every Indian movie like Dances with Wolves, Thunder Heart, even Smoke Signals, there's a discovery of your Indian nature. Yeah, it's almost like you have to find your heart. I don't think a lot of people understand when they use the term colonized. Oh, the colonizers. That's like code word for white supremacist or something. But colonizers aren't bad. Colonizers are settlers. They built a colony, right? And a lot of people think, oh, I've been colonized. Or I can't be colonized. They shout in English. But we've all been colonized in the way that we stopped living out in the woods and whatever. And we started walking the road of the colonized, of the colonies. Live in a house, live in a town, get a job, speak English, get an education, blah, blah, blah. And walk, become somebody. But the red road is about the things that matter to our ancestors. Becoming a true human being. John Dunbar had to give up all his army gear and shave his mustache. And he had to trade out his hat for a knife. There's a lot of symbolism in that movie. But when you walk the red road, you discover who you really are. I think. I don't know. I'm just a little girl. I'm just trying to figure it out myself. But this is what we're all trying to do. I mean, learning the way, walking, finding your path. For some of us, we might learn Ojibwe. We might start praying in Ojibwe or something. But, where was I going with this? Oh, what we're really looking for is peace and happiness. Love. At the end of this path, it's not about, I got to honor my ancestors. It's like, yeah, honor your ancestors and connect with that part of you. Not because it matters to the ancestors, but because it matters to you. A lot of our unhappiness and our anxiety and stuff, it's because we're not living our true, authentic self. We're not being who we really are. Or who we're meant to be, maybe. Maybe we've never been who we're meant to be. Yet. But you can be. But you gotta give up all the old stuff. I heard somebody say once that, what was the term they used? It wasn't enlightenment or leveling up or whatever, but lots of times when a person finally finds their path, it happens after a heartbreak. That's the point of heartbreaks. You gotta break a lot of eggs before you make an omelet. But heartbreak destroys you, but it also opens up an opportunity to find the red road. You know? Sometimes a heartbreak, grief, or whatever is just get Yamadu screaming in your face. It's time! You know, now do you believe that none of that stuff matters? You gotta walk the road. Be your true, authentic self. Quit, you know, going down that bad road. Come on back to the path. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. I better go back, Benesha Yag. Yeah. No, I'll be back tomorrow. Okay, I will see you again. Kiga Wabimin, Minoa. Yeah. These birds.
BOOZHOO,
Hi, sweetie.
you ready to come home?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. I'm going to scan for your coordinates.
Okay.
And locking into your coordinates.
All right.
Don't move.
I won't.
And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. Nah.
Hey, welcome home, sweetie.
Well, thank you so much. And what else?
Did you want to talk about little cutie?
Oh yeah, I can talk about Little Cutie. Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist, has a book called Little Cutie, which is about a red and white teddy bear. Once upon a reservation in northern Minnesota, there was a red and white teddy bear who lived with a little girl named Aubrey. And here she is. But he overhears the adults speaking, and he thinks that Aubrey's outgrowing him, and that he's gonna have to go live with the bears in the old rest dump. So he goes on a vision quest, and he walks through the woods, and he meets Memengwa the butterfly and Wagosh the fox, and all these animals with Ojibwe names. There's Jagog the skunk. There's Baka-Akwe the chicken. There's Little Cutie and the bears in the woods, the Makwaga. And then he's all sad when he has to leave the house. And the Jinamu tells him to go on a vision quest. And the book is called Little Cutie, a Teddy Bear's Vision Quest by Michael Lyons, a rock star cartoonist. Well, this commercial goes on forever, doesn't it? Oh, that was yeah, that's funny. That was Gitchimana there playing the guitar. And there's a Jitamu. He's a squirrel. There's a squirrel sitting upside down. Aw, man, it's all right, Little Cutie. You still got me. There he's talking to Memengwa. Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. If I can find the cover. What did I do? Here it is. Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. It's a... What would you call this, Michael?
It's not a comic and it's not a picture book. You can read it in one sitting. It's a bedtime story, I guess. And it's illustrated story, but it's paragraphs.
Okay. It's not a picture book. It's not a comic book. It's a bedtime story that you can read in one sitting. Is it a kid's book?
Well, yeah, for sure it's a kid's book, but it's adult level reading.
Oh, okay. A lot of swearing in that?
No, there's no swearing. It's just not like dumbed down for little kids to read.
Oh, I get it. So there you go, little cutie. Click the links below to order your copy. Ta-da. Otherwise, what do you think, sweetie?
What do I think about what?
What should I talk about?
You can talk about anything you like. You want to play a song?
I could play a song. Heavy Flow is here.
Okay, BOOZHOO, heavy flow.
BOOZHOO, Heavy Flow. The first time I saw a butterfly in a girl child, or as a girl, I was afraid of it. Yeah. Well, they're creepy until you know what they are. I mean, they are kind of creepy. It's just that they're beautiful. Yeah, why does everybody love butterflies, but everybody hates moths?
Yeah, I don't know.
You know, the moth is like the ugly cousin to the butterfly.
Yep.
Here's a joke. Moth walks into the podiatrist's office. He says, "Doctor, you gotta help me. I'm so depressed. I got no will to live." And the doctor says, "Yeah, listen, I'm a podiatrist. I'm a foot doctor. I can't help you. What you want is a psychiatrist. You're depressed. Why did you even come in here?" And the moth said, "Well, I saw the light was on." I saw that the light was on, you know, because moths always are drawn to light.
Yep, that's pretty good.
Do you suppose, like, there's a bunch of moths who, like, are trying to fly to the sun right now?
Probably.
What a stupid butterfly. Anyway, so, Mindy Moya, Redbird's here. Redbird. She's no pitchy. She's a Miss Squab and Nacy. Redbird. I always think of Robin, because he was, you know, red-breasted. But what'd she say? Heavy Flow, same here. Heavy Flow as a girl child. What's that? Heavy Flow swears like they do in cartoons. It was like a $sign and a percent sign, all that.
Oh, yeah.
I like to swear like Yosemite Sam. Darn, burn it. Dag, burn it. I can't remember how to do it. MJ. BOOZHOO, MJ. Flashcards are a great idea. Yeah, weren't you going to make some flashcards, Michael?
Yeah, once upon a time when I wanted to draw more than I do.
Yeah. La-di-da, do-do-do-do, ho-ga, hey.
You want to take a call, sweetie?
Oh, I could take a call, sure. What line?
On line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey, yo, Natasha, how you doing?
Well, hi, Sylvester Stallone. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing all right. Listen, you can call me Sly.
Okay, Sly. What can I do for you today?
Yeah, yo, I was wondering if I could ask you for a favor.
What's that?
I was wondering if you wouldn't mind too much. How do you say, what is your name in Ojibwe?
What is your name? Oh, funny you should ask. We say, Anin, Asian Kazoyan.
Anin, Asian Kazoyan. What is your name? And then if somebody asks me that, how do I say, hey, yo, my name is Sylvester, but you can call me Sly.
Well, you would say, Sly Nindishanakaz. Like Michael Lyons, Nindishanakaz, you would say Sly Nindishanakaz.
Sly Nindishanakaz. Oh, yeah, that's real good.
Why do you ask?
I was going to powwow this weekend, and I was wondering, if I want to go up there, and if somebody asks me what my name is, I can say it in Ojibwe.
Well, yeah, but I'm pretty sure everybody already knows your name.
Well, how are they gonna know my name if I don't tell them what my name is?
Well, you're like the most famous movie star in the world.
Hey, yo, forget about it, you know. You think they saw my movies?
Well, of course. Everybody sees Rocky movies.
You can call me Sly.
I mean, Sly Stallone movies.
I'm surprised. I didn't know that many people watched Over the Top.
Over the Top?
Yeah, you know, I guess I'm a movie star because I did that movie, Over the Top.
Oh, the one where you arm wrestle? Yeah, that was great.
Yeah, I'm thinking about making a remake. I'm going to make a sequel to Over the Top.
Why?
You know, I think it's time where he comes out of retirement and maybe he's going to try to arm wrestle one more time, you know, for his respect, you know, to prove to himself that he wasn't just a bum, that he could go the distance, that he could go toe-to-toe with anybody who arm wrestled. And in the end, even if he doesn't win the wrestling match, well, then he can always know that he was true to himself and he gave it a shot.
Yeah, that's pretty much the moral of Rocky, isn't it?
Yeah, all my movies is the same thing. You gotta, it ain't about how tough you are. It ain't about how hard you can hit. It's about whether or not you can take the hits and keep moving forward.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
You know, you can't go around blaming other people for your problems.
No, I don't do that.
You know, you're not happy where you're at, you put your finger at him and her. That's loser talk! And that ain't you! You're better than that!
Okay.
And, you know why I tell you this?
Why?
'Cause that's how winning's done.
Okay. Listen, Rocky, we're running out of time here. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Yeah, I was wondering if you wouldn't mind too much. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawapamin, Minawa.
Hey, yo, Gigawabamin, Minawa, Natasha.
You too, Sylvester.
Yeah, yo, you can call me Sly.
Okay, Sly. See you later. Ah,
He's so cool.
do you like Rocky 2, Nanaboozhoo?
Oh, you know I do. He's my hero.
You guys, man, am I right, ladies? Nah. Well, anything else I should do before we call it a show?
No, you want to just remind him of subscribing and hitting that like button?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, listen to Surrealist, you guys. Hit that like button. Kakina Awia. Hit that like button, everybody. Put your thumbs in the air like you just don't care. No. And if you'd like to support the show, we have super chats during the live stream and links in the description to Patreon, PayPal, and GoFundMe. And Michael has books for sale too. Otherwise, I feel like I'm forgetting something, sweetie.
Do we have another song we never played?
No, I don't think so. Michael, you just want to send us out?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Natasha. Hey, everybody. Just wanted to say thank you so much for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay. I am Michael Lyons, and I will see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minawa. Oh, am I supposed to teleport or something? Oh, yeah. Do you want me to teleport you? Yeah, could you teleport me out of here? Yeah, you got it. Hang on. Let's see. That's 1 to teleport. See you later. See you tomorrow. What do I say? You got to say, make it so number 1. Oh, yeah. Make it so number 1.